Hi, I'm Brenton Fernandez with Deluxe Realty. Today we're in the beautiful community of Day Springs. 3850 North Huber, Lot 1 in Mesa is a 5-bedroom home, 4.5 bath on over a half-an-acre lot. If you like vacationing, you're never gonna leave this home. Citrus trees, a heated and cooled spa and pool, barbecue. So much, I'm so excited. Let's go check it out. You can just see yourself floating on this unicorn already, can't you? Come see this home. Call me today, Brent Fernandez, 480-512-2743. Thank you so much. See you soon.